DG scale at? Never mind that, it's a contract, where them Zaza bills at? They like, where you mail it at? I'm like, where your runner at? Ford Dooley, hold 100. Hike, Marshall, fuck that. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sugar Man on that. Let me pause the music. Tuning in again, once again, twice again. Doing this thing nice again. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit like again. Today I'm gonna be bringing y'all a little footage of the KX, man. We doing a little sticker graphic kit for my KX 500. Shouts out to Bike Life, 815 Bike Life. KX been down. If y'all didn't know, if y'all just tuning in, we're doing a restoration on my 2000 KX 500. I got a 2000 KX 500. We finna do the restoration on it. And well, it's already done. We just finishing the plastics at the moment. So I got my boy Dagwood over here right now. He helping me out. This is the guy to help me out. Last time with my son, Banshee Plastics. These ones over here. He helped put these graphics on them. So we're gonna do this one. We're gonna do this one as well. This is the KX 500. That's the new tank. These the side plastics. Should we wipe these down? These probably dirty, oily and shit. I got gas right there.
Yeah, I get them.
Okay, cool. So my boy Dagwood. Shouts out to my boy Dag. Been waiting on him. We finna finish this up, man. I got these graphics. Y'all already seen them. On the 815 Bike Life, we finna start the installation of these graphic kits. So we're gonna take y'all through the process of putting them on, and before and after. You know what I'm saying?
When I bust the plate, I was doing a $120 on the interstate. I spent 420 on them 28s. You take it wrong with that front nigga, bring it back. The fuck the matter with these niggas saying they in the track? Said it's selling like it asked me if I got some more. Hell yeah, I'm loaded, but that's all you don't wanna pay for. Sugar Man in Cali, Frisco, that's the Zaza land. I'm with CJ in that Lambo. God damn it, man, speaking on my name like I won't pull up in the sauce. And put the balls on them, beat the dog shit about it. I named the Chevy T-Rex, inside Jurassic Park. 5 bowls of OG on the plane, I had the double party. Rubber bands came 59, 71 tonnage, dropping playing with the Rex and not the one Serena Williams got. And when my digits get one with the ball on it, I got a ball.
Y'all see what's going on, man. We got this goddamn 815 Bike Life getting put down, shorty. These the used ones, but I think they end up sending me 2 of these extra, D. These. Yeah. They end up sending me 2 of those extra. You know what I'm saying? So when these new ones come in, we're gonna install these on the other ones too. So I got 2 new ones on the way. And then we might have to do some chopping on them too to make them fit. They said some parts might got, oh, they already cut it out for it. That junk glow in the dark too, bro. When it's nighttime, so people will be able to see me, that 815 light up.
What's up?
Huh?
What's up?
What you think about the graphic kit?
What it do, what it do. Shit. That's about time. Right.
You ain't got no heat gun, do you?
No, we'll be alright. right here.
Make that bitch lay. I gotta blow you. First, you gotta get that shit to lay down, get that shit to stick. Look how that shit light up when the light hit it. It's the holographic, shorty. You gotta flip it. Yes, sir. Same with this one.
I'm on Jefferson Street, in that box getting sideways.
In that box.
Got the Sonic Pump 20 when I bust the blade. I was doing a buck 20 on the interstate.
Hey, I spent 420s on them 28s. That motherfucker hard, boy. Look at the lights hit it, boy. That's hard, gang. That's extra hard. That's hard. Let's do the front number plate first. Cause I think I'm gonna wait on one of them. Let's do that one. Cause I don't know if I'm gonna use these. I got these coming brand new, or do you think that still gonna look dope with these on there? Cause I was gonna do that. I was gonna do both of those, this, the tank, and I was gonna do the guard. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They ordered new plastics. They ordered those brand new.
Okay.
And these go on the guard. This one go on the guard right here. And then they got another one just like it, right?
Look probably down here.
This go on the swing arm. This the piece that you was talking about for the swing arm, right?
Yep.
Now I'm trying to figure out where the fuck do those go.
Which one? These?
Yeah.
Like I said, I see some of them.
Actually, let me move this. We can put some shit right here. We're gonna do this. Huh? Yeah, I think so too. I know so. Got my daughter on there. You know that bitch go crazy. So I'm gonna spread these stickers out. Now these KXs, I think these go on those, bro.
Yeah, the KX is
Yeah. So we really might not have to wait. You know what I'm saying? Might could put them on them, or we could put them on the new ones. It's really kind of like, yeah. Do we need to trim it any?
No, I think it's probably gonna be alright. I think it's gonna be alright.
So them the stickers for that. I think these is the extra side ones. Yeah, and we're gonna put them on the other ones that's gonna come. These the extra two that they sent me. They putting this first coat down, spray, you know, getting it nice and wet. As he wet that, get that nice and juicy. We got these over here just for the swing arm. EJR still got the bike. This is for one of the radiator covers. This is for one of the side pieces. We still got two extra side pieces too. So we got the two extra ones, which we got two new plastics coming. So we're gonna use that for the two extra ones. So I'm gonna get them out the way and just put them. Extra stickers for the Banshee. That's the extra one.
Oh, okay.
For my Banshee.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put all these extra stickers I got inside of the Banshee in there for my Banshee. Here go another flame I got for my Banshee, Yamaha sticker, a decal kit, man. We going with the Yamaha sign, as y'all see. I don't know if y'all gotta look at the other ones. Put it up to the light. It's another one for my bands, just a flame. The flame that's on my Banshee, my outrageous Banshee. So I got little extra stickers, graphic decals. So this is one of the extra ones. So, and then I'm gonna put these two, cause I got two more fenders coming for the KX. But while you're here, we're gonna go and finesse the old ones and put them on there too. So, you know, we got them on there right now. Them the two extra ones. And then they get my daughter shit put on there, and they got it look pretty good actually.
Oh, yeah. Going right on. Good. That's the difference between new classic and old classic.
It's going right on, cause it ain't all scratched up and shit, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I got my old tank up there too. Let me see. Go back. Let me zoom in on it. And my daughter on there got on that A15 bike life. Got my daughter in the middle. That's crucial. They got my old tank up there, and they got my old fender covers up there too. So he got that looking good. We got these over here. Yeah, shit coming on pretty good. Got the fork covers and guards. We're gonna put these to the side right now. These are the radiator. No, this is not the radiator. No, here's the other fork guard right here, bro. We got two fork guards right there. And this is the radiator cover. I don't know. Oh, this is the fender cover right here, bro. This goes on the... This trash?
Yeah.
He laid these. Him and my dad laid these on my son Banshee. He got them looking good, too. We Yamaha crazy, but shit, I got the KX. Can't forget about the two-stroke. They don't make big bike two-stroke, so I had to go with the KX 500 and still keep it two-stroke. You know what I'm saying? As y'all see, look at my little connection. I don't play. Got that two-stroke up here, Charlie. Play that shit, boy. Big two-stroke, big two-cycle oil. Two-cycle. Yamaloo. All this shit. Baby bottles. Been y'all see what's going on? That's my little collection. That's my little shelf. Still keep me an outrageous Banshee. Extra radiator cover for mine, for my Banshee. Yeah. Engine ice. Proper preparation, shorty. These are the front fork guards. We prepping the tank.
Yes,
See the side. You see the sides that go on them.
Yes, sir.
I can't wait to get my KX back, bro. It's been God. You know how long I ain't rolled my KX in?
Yeah.
God, these in. I'm still on the final stages, getting ready to get my shit done. Is them hoes in there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be dope.
I'm playing with them Rex and not the one Serena Williams got. Hey, where my digits scale at? One with the bowl on it. I got a bow on it. 124 for it. If I ever go broke, I'ma sell everything. Put it all on the line, say a prayer, holla, gang, gang. I ain't tryna send it up. You bet not neither, bitch. We in here like a pound of regular weed on these fucking sticks. Nigga, that's a pound. Nigga, that's a ball. Bitch, I'm out of thug and I can't fuck with no nigga who ain't tryna get involved. Baby mama said fuck me, you can't see the kids. Now it's visitation court, it is what it is. With us ain't no relations, with them gon' be relations. Fighting that lawyer front them judges, it was devastating. Before this trap shit, my thrill was sliding. Y'all let me know if y'all need D to put y'all graphics on. He do West End and Buff too. He good handyman with this type of work right here. Great with it. So y'all let me know. I'll hit y'all with the number. Or I'll put it right here on the screen so y'all can get at him if y'all need him. And that's his work over here on the Banshee. Yes. It's my son Banshee, by the way, man. This dude bike's so fucking nice, dog. I'm gonna start riding this shit. Got me fucked up, son. On a hard ride. Got the finished product over here. Drying out. Pulling up, hopping out on that. Fine on niggas, hey. And you ain't getting shit for my price, don't even disrespect me. Get 2 fucks I close for years, that shit irrelevant. I still a running back, I need 200 a pound. Cash up front, not including vacuum filling the pounds. I know the route, but if your paper show, then ship it out. It's a drought, I'm in Humboldt, I'm cashing out. Hey, where my digits scale at? One with the bowl on it, I got a bow on it. 124 for it. If I ever go broke, I'ma sell everything. Put it all on the line, say a prayer, holla, gang, gang.
It's dope. As y'all can see, the lights lighting up too. It look different. It's just like this paint job. The pictures don't do it no justice, man. That probably go on the front, huh? On the front plastic?
Yeah.
Oh, I probably just go at the tip. Like. I think I already knew that, Tony. I ain't need you to tell me that, fool. Shouts out to my boy Tony. I got my boy Tony on the phone, man, calling for some advice. You know, he done got 7 Primo goddamn graphic kits. You know what I'm saying? Rock for bike life, man, in the building, man. You know, it's my boy I be riding with when I be out there. I'm killing him on the wheelies too, man. Y'all gotta tell him get his wheelie game up. I'm going crazy. Huh?
Wait till you get back on that 2-stroke. That bitch gonna be way different.
And I rebuilt the motor too. We'll see what he got.
This right here is one plastic, and then right here is another plastic.
With them Hondas though, they made yours different though, gang.
That's what I'm saying. That's how he did yours. Shit, they 2 plastics right here, and he gave me 1 sticker for this one, and then 1 sticker for this one.
Who I be?
Sugar man on that. My Digiscalat. That's strong, bro. That's hard, bro. That's hard. We're gonna save these ones until the bike is on. Well, till the bike is all the way together. I don't know where these 2 go.
Yeah.
You know, cause it ain't nothing left but these 2 pieces right here, which is the radiator covers.
Well, you gonna get the new pieces, so.
Yeah, I got the new pieces coming. I got 2 new radiator pieces coming, so I'm gonna wait till the bike is actually finished before I put these pieces on right here. Let's dry these off. So finished product. Let's go, y'all. Check out this finished product. Right here, we got the rear fender. Let's get a close up on that, guys. Got the A15, that's where I'm from. On there, that's me. Got the 6 sticker at the top. Nice background with the KX at the bottom. More of a No Limit Soldier feel. Army fatigue, basically. Y'all call it. That's the rear fender right there, peoples. So let's see the front fender now. And this is the front fender with the SIG on it. With the, I keep saying holographic, No Limit Soldier, goddamn. What you call that? Army fatigue, that's what we call it. Got the SIG sign with the Army fatigue on the front. That's the front sticker. And these do glow in the dark, my peoples. Got that nice and neat sitting up there. Okay, now we got the side pieces, which we also do got new side covers coming. I got an extra set in both of these, so we're gonna put it on the new ones that we got coming too. Got the A15 on that, A15 Bike Life on that, A15 Bike Life. Just like my hoodie say. Let's show them the next one. Showing that daughter front plate that gym hard, bro. Yes, it's my baby right here, man. I got my daughter. This the little girl y'all seen on the charm, man. On that A15 bike light, got my daughter in the middle. That's little Ashley. Some special gift right there, baby. Got that on the front number plate. You know I gotta have that A15 on the number plate, man. Stop playing games. Uh-oh. We got the fucking guards for the front. KX500 on them. KX500 on them. Nice, man. Nice. And then, not least but last, we got the gas tank. Both sides got the big heavy ass gas tank. Got the big boy gas tank, baby. Got the big size. The seat gonna go up the middle, so you know. And there you have it, man. KX500 graphic decal kit installment. Got my boy D Dagwood. Make sure y'all hit him up. Good handyman, like I say, good guy. He got these graphics on my son, YZ Banshee 2, Banshee 350. He got these on. Him and my dad did these actually together. You know what I'm saying? So, as you see, they look good too, man. My son got a lot of graphic kit in his bike too, man. I got it back for the summer. I gotta put this on, so y'all know what's going on with this, man. Nice. I got my old stuff from my KX. My old gas tank for the KX. I actually need to get that down because I gotta get that gas cap off of there. Got the gas cap. They got my old plastic to the KX too as well. They got some Banshee headlights. A little bit of nothing, but other than that, y'all know what's going on.
Hold on, man. Talk about dope. Let this G6 sunroof back, man.
I'm on Jefferson Street, in that box getting sideways. Delta Sonic plump 20 when I bust the plate. I was doing $120 on the interstate. I spent 420s on them 28s. You taking too long with that front, nigga, bring it back. The fuck the matter with these niggas saying they in the trap? Said the sale ain't like it, asked me if I got some more. Hell yeah, I'm loaded, but that Zion wanna pay for. Sugarman in Cali, Frisco, that's the Zaza land. I'm with CJ in that Lambo, god damn it, man. Speaking on my name like I won't pull up in the Sodom. And put the paws on them, beat the dog shit about them. I named the Chevy T-Rex, inside Jurassic Park. 5 bows of OG on the paint, I had the double park. Rubber bands can't fit the knot.
It's a good night with me and my boy, man. We're gonna get us goddamn 2 of them shots. We got about enough in there left. About another shot. Hold on, motherfucker. Goddamn, boy. That's thirsty ass, boy. Damn, man. Cheers, baby. Shout out to my boy. Get me together on them plastic, shorty. And that completes today's vlog. Make sure y'all stay tuned to the channel. If you haven't, hit like. If you haven't, subscribe. If you haven't, share. Fuck with your boy. Giveaway at 20,000 subscribers. We had 13 and some change. I appreciate y'all for watching, tuning in. Hit the comments. Let me know what y'all think. Keep the negative shit to yourself. All positive vibes. And it's up, man. 815 Bike Life to the front.
Hey, where my digits scale at?